Sanya. Because of a dream, a journey has begun. This dream has been over 20 years since it started. Listening carefully to every need. Improving greatly to every experience. Providing wholeheartedly to every service. Sanya makes a determined effort all the way. Always focus to make people's trip better. With more energy saving, more convenient, more human-centered products, to be the most trusted choice for everyone. We deeply aware that every time of your trip would be your dream travel, which needs to be more comfortable, reassured, hassle-free, happy. Every time of your trip, we will go to all lengths with the products that exceed expectation to bear your trust. Today's Sanya is far more than this. We not only fabricate motorcycles that satisfy the users, but also fabricate electric scooters for a better trip. Dedicated to motorcycle over 20 years, now Sanya is entering the electric scooters market with firm basis to completely achieve every of your better trip. Sanya always focus to explore more comfortable products for your trip. To make the trip is no longer a tedious journey, but a journey with more fun. By the caring design, more delicate outlook, more pleasurable operation, to create the incredible experience for the users, to satisfy ever travel of the users. Sanya always focus to explore the way for more potential cooperation, to make the business of our partner is not just the short-term deal, but a sustainable development career. From Asia to Africa, from Europe to America, from the export data accumulated over the past 20 years, we know very well user needs in more than 60 countries in the world to provide you with the market-based products. We study the core technology, strictly control the technological appearance. We are concerned about environmental protection, also pay high attention to safety. We emphasize on the quality, strengthen the performance. By the strict quality control process and test, to achieve standard certification of more than 60 countries. From China to the world, we established a good transnational credit, built up a mature logistics system to provide with the intercities, trans-provincial, trans-regional, transnational product logistics services to deliver quickly each of your order, maximize the benefits of your business. Sanya always focus to explore the enterprise actions to bear more responsibility. Over the past 20 years, we have been thinking about the harmonious existence between people and car and enterprise, enterprises and society. In Asia, Europe, Africa, America, and Oceania, to build up the public welfare forests constantly, to carry out the large-scale donation for education, public services for love writing, long-term give back to society, global impact on human beings. By specific actions, Sanya bears more responsibilities, remains the spirit of persistence as always, to win the common trust of the users, the government, and society. We win the trust by the good faith. Refresh the world record by technology. We innovate the energy-saving and environmental products, add value to the China-famous brand. We climb the World Science and Technology Summit bravely. We are also proud of the quality of the world and made in China. Sanya forges ahead all the way to satisfy the users, partners, all expectation of government and society. Facing the future, Sanya never forget the original aspiration. Based on the dream of two-wheeled cars, specialize in technology and product to create more better experience for the users, to create more potential wealth for partners, to create more harmonious living environment for human beings. Building on Sanya's products, to constantly broaden the vision of people and enterprises, draw closely the relationship between people, people and enterprises, enterprises and the world. To accomplish every trust by the spirit of concentration. Sanya.